Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and that way you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to bold a text in Microsoft Word. So first, make sure to open your Microsoft Word. For you guys to have a better reference as to how you can bold the text in Microsoft Word, we should enter a sample word. Let's try this one. Hello. Always remember, if you will bold a word or a sentence in Microsoft Word, make sure to select that word or sentence. In that way, it will be bolded. Now let's try this one. So select the word hello and check on the upper left corner of your screen, specifically under the font options, there is a letter B, and that is for bold option. That's beside the italic. So just simply click the bold option, and there, the word hello was already bold. And that's how you bold a text in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.